Okay, so I want to do this for the feminine, divine feminine. I did a masculine. It looks like there's some real negative thinking and energy of just wanting to give up because of a perceived injustice or something they're assuming that might not be true. With the divine feminine here, there's this energy of worrying too much, a tendency to be over worried, maybe a little obsessed or paranoid about something. It's like don't even be. It might happen quickly because you might pick up on something, but it's like let go of the stress. I'd say this is like, what is this? This could be reactionary energy. Maybe this is a time of changes that is about truth that comes in fast, reckless. And if we're seeing something that we don't like, we might say something that we regret. So let's hesitate to say anything without thought. We have to contain these fears, these doubts. Doubt has to be let go of. Yeah, and replace it with love, replace it with passion. Definitely. There's changes in that department. This can only be good. This can only be good. It could mean the end of these things that oppose you, because look at that guy's going that way. There's this stress that's between. So these guys are going this opposite way. So it's telling me this stress, this opposition to this passion could be changing. It will be, definitely. And it involves love and a lot of things that we're emotionally invested in. We have to use our intuition. We have to take care of ourselves through this change. So we have to let go of whatever this is and dust ourselves off, let go of the negative. This is standing up after this, whatever this doubt is and stress that's here about whatever this is. If it applies, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's great. This is information that is new. Could be something, a message that you heard or just a message you got. It came in. 2 queens here. Could be you're traveling or you're away from the divine masculine. This energy is, he's got a lot of energy, this guy, probably the most out of the deck, right? This guy has more determination to go after something, and so he's got all this energy, and she's coming toward him and he's facing her. It's like he knows she's there. So there's this connection here, but there's definite need for letting go of whatever this that doesn't serve us, because that's what this is. It's changes about some doubt or something that maybe we know but we can't control it. We just have to accept things the way they are. And love is a choice. Let go of doubt. Let me clarify that 9. It's like, no, So maybe there's been something said or something you believe is a betrayal of some sort, lies, and no one is perfect. If you know that you know, if you don't and you're assuming, I mean, I don't know. If you can't accept it, I don't know what this is. Some people, maybe all of us, have a tendency to flirt or do things that are hidden that maybe our partner we wouldn't agree with, and I feel like that's what the Divine Masculine is feeling with what I just read. Like, with that reading, I feel like he's jealous and feels like he's been betrayed, and he's assuming things. And I feel like this could be an assumption or just a looking at it the wrong way. This is definitely not looking at things correctly. There's another way to see this. So that has me kind of concerned. Underneath there's working on it, you're hanging on, but there's this disconnect right now with working together with this energy. There's all this emotion. There's all this desire toward this goal. I don't know what this is upside down here like that. I think there has been a falling out, actually, and we need to find a way to not, maybe there's a third party we're not interested in, or I don't know. This is working together. This is questionable whether you're working together. I want to try these cards to clarify. Just walking away. Could be that we're just done and we feel hurt, so we walked away because some message came through that hurt us, and so emotionally we've just kind of abandoned it. Which doesn't mean there's a real breakup. It just means right now things aren't where they should be. We have to come back to thinking correctly about this. Letting these changes go with the way we're looking at it. This is wrong. This is, like I said, not looking at it right. Let me see if I could get a card on that. Yeah, because this is our dream come true here. That we're not even seeing. This is our dream come true. Instead, we're thinking about, I don't know, something we can't control. We're not looking at it straight. We're not looking at it right. It's not gonna show me. When I see this card, I feel like that's the end of the story. We're just not seeing it right. We want to make it work, and it's saying to use this time to stop looking at it the wrong way. Look at it a different way. Find a way to repair whatever it is that's brought about this energy of not seeing it right, of changes, you know? Let's try to rebuild after this, letting go of this energy that's wrong, this looking at it wrong, right? One more card for the Divine Feminine. Look at that. It's in regards to sex, and that's where I was thinking that there's just past issues, past things that we don't understand, but this is what we're after. This is how we fix it. This is where the change is, but it could be a brand new start. right? Because this is what will make us happy. So if we move forward toward this passion that we feel with the masculine, then, and it makes us happy, then that's what we're after in this reading. So have messages and vibrations of love and passion. Repair this negative thinking. There's divine authority here. There's a lot of emotional desire for this. This is a marriage, right? This is family, love. This is the whole everything, and you don't want to let this go. You want to let go of this. Okay? That's what I see. Thanks for listening. Talk to you later.